Hello everyone, my name is Nicholas with Glow Up Cruise, and today I'm going to take you through one of our drone power roof cleans here in Naples, Florida. Before a takeoff, we always like to lay out our hose as well as plan our route of attack to maximize our drone flight time. We are now switching to our aerial drone footage to fully show you guys the transformation this house is receiving. As you can see, we use powerful nozzles to deliver soapy pressure to your roof. And of course, we will never step foot on your roof. Although not shown here, we also service those hard to clean lanais. Our drones are perfect for cleaning dirt and grime off of a lanai roof without damaging those expensive screens. This drone-powered roof clean took about 1 hour and 15 minutes. This is from the time of meeting the customer to cleaning our drone and putting it away. If you have a home or property that needs service in the Naples or Fort Myers area, reach out to Glow Up Cruise at www.glowupcruise.com or visit our socials at Glow Up Cruise.